Good evening, guys. Welcome to my channel, Relaxation on Demand. It's a beautiful sunset and some crystal ball near the beach. The sound of the waves tranquilizes my mind. And today, I'm gonna share with you one of the habits which we should ponder on. So, let's get on with it. There is an old riddle that says, five frogs are sitting on a pad. One decides to jump off. How many are left? Let me say it again. Five frogs are sitting on a fence or say pad, and one decides to jump off. How many are left? Think it over. If your answer is 4, thank you to your maths teacher for your excellent maths skills. Unfortunately, this is not a test of your maths abilities. It's a life problem. The correct answer is 5. Yes, all 5 are still sitting there. The only frog who decided to jump has not yet decided, or he hasn't jumped yet, he only decided. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, respected viewers of my channel, the journey starts with a single step, not by thinking about taking that step. Today, if you are watching this video and thinking, yes, I'm gonna start something new, I'm gonna start afresh, take that first step, take that jump. Be the frog who not only decides to jump off, but actually jumps. All the best. Signing off with this note today. Stay blessed and stay happy always. Thank you for subscribing, liking and sharing my channel. Relaxation on Demand. Cheers.